Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, if you are looking for a way to burn fat, improve your blood sugar, and even feel healthier overall, you might want to try intermittent fasting. And guess what? A new study suggests it could be even more beneficial than we thought. So, today we will deep dive into what this study says and how intermittent fasting could work wonders for your body. So, before we get into the new research, let's first understand what intermittent fasting is. So, intermittent fasting is actually an eating pattern where you cycle between eating and fasting periods. It's not about what you eat, it's about when you eat. So, popular methods include the 16 by 8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, or the 5 by 2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict calories for 2 non consecutive days. So, now about that study. Recently, researchers found that intermittent fasting does more than just about losing the belly fat. So, the study published in peer-reviewed journal reveals that intermittent fasting can help regulate your blood sugar levels and even improve your metabolic health. So, that's a huge matter because maintaining blood sugar levels is a key to preventing type 2 diabetes and even improving energy and avoiding those dreaded sugar crashes. The study looked at people who followed the intermittent fasting for consecutive 12 weeks. The results, they didn't just lose the belly fat, but they also saw a significant improvement in their insulin sensitivity. That's huge because better insulin sensitivity means your body is more efficient in utilizing glucose for energy, which can help prevent and even reverse prediabetes. Alright, so let's talk about burning the fat. Probably all you are most excited about the intermittent fasting because it helps naturally to burn the fat. Because during your fasting periods, your body has no immediate source of food for energy. Instead, it turns to the stored fat for the fuel. So it's like flipping your switch in the body that says it's time to burn the fat. So, according to this new study, the participants who tested regularly this intermittent fasting saw a significant reduction in belly fat, which is linked to serious health conditions like heart disease and diabetes. The study suggests that during fasting, your body improves its ability to break down fat, making intermittent fasting a super effective tool for the weight management. And here is a bonus tip for intermittent fasting as well. It doesn't just benefit your body, it can also enhance your brain health. The study also highlighted improvements in mental clarity and the focus. Fasting helps reduce inflammation, which has been linked to brain fog and the memory related issues. So, if you are trying to give it a try to intermittent fasting, so I am here sharing few important tips before starting with the intermittent fasting. So, first tip I will suggest to start the slow. Don't dive straight into 16-hour fasting. Begin with shorter fasting windows like 4, 8, and 12 hours, and then gradually you can extend it. Second tip is you need to stay hydrated all over your day. So, drink plenty of water during your fasting window. Herbal teas or black coffee are also good choices to keep you energized during your fasting window. So, third tip, I will say that you need to eat nutrient dense foods. So, drink and also during your eating window, you need to focus on whole and unprocessed foods that nourish your body. Think of lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of vegetables. And fourth tip is you need to listen to your body. Fasting is not a cup of tea for everyone. So if you feel over hungry or fatigue, you need to adjust your fasting schedule as per your feasibility. So, before we wrap up for today, now let's come back to the some misconceptions or myths about the intermittent fasting. Some people think that you need to starve yourself or that fasting slow downs your metabolism. Not at all true. As long as you are eating enough during your eating window, you will get all the required nutrients you need without slowing down your metabolism. So, if you are looking to burn fat, improve your blood sugar levels, and even boost your brain power, so intermittent fasting might be just what you need. So, but as always, if you want to give a start for intermittent fasting, first of all, consult with your healthcare professional before making any drastic dietary changes. So, especially if you have any critical health conditions. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for such amazing health tips. And if you have already tried intermittent fasting, so you can let me know in the comment section what was your experience and have you received any significant changes in your health and your body. Until next time, stay healthy and take care of your overall health. I will see you in the next video.